Okay, hello. Let's look at logarithmic and exponential equation. It's just kind of mixed all in one. So here it is. We notice that the exponent of x is the square root of log of x, and we have equal to 10 to the 2 root 2. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the log of both sides. So we get log of x to the log of x, square root of that, equals to log of 10 to the 2 root 2. Fantastic. Now that we have this, simply we're going to use the log law. We're going to bring the square root of log of x exponent to the front of log. So that would be square root of log of x times log of x equals to, and on the other side, simply we do the same thing with the second part, which is the 2 root 2. We're going to bring it to the front of the log as an exponent that used to be. Excellent. Now, the right hand side, log of 10 is 1, so that should just be 2 root 2. Nothing magical about that. This one right here, well, log of the square root of n, if I change it to the exponential, would be n to the 1/2. So we can actually add, the exponent here is 1, the exponent of this is the exponent entire log of x. So what we have is 1 plus 1/2, that's 3/2. So log of x, all of that to the power of 3/2 equals to 2 root 2. So how did I get the 3 over 2? That's log of x, which is right here. So if I write down square root of log of x, that is actually log of x to the power of 1/2, and 1/2 plus 1, because adding exponents, same base, we get 3 over 2, 3/2, right? Now this is square root of 2. This is 2 to the 1, that's 2 to the 1/2 based using the same rule. So this is 2 to the 3 over 2. If I change everything on this side right here, if I change everything on this side in terms of exponential, you get this. So let's set that up again. Log of x, this is on the left hand side, to the 3 over 2. We get 2 to the 3 over 2 equals to log of x to the 3 over 2. So the bases are different, but exponents are the same. That means definitely we can say now log of x must equal to 2. Okay, and if that's the case, then 10 squared is equal to x. All right, that's simple as that.